got to say, you know, we're 2 hours in. Look at this. She's spotting everything. She's like, I've got time. He's coming, but I've got time. 2 hours in, I'm absolutely blown away with your driving. I really, 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 really am. It is like you never went away. And I'm so flipping proud of you. I really am. You didn't go anywhere. Just been gone for over a year, had a baby, come back, and it's like, it was like I saw you last week.
I have shocked myself, to be fair. Especially because it's like the first time even leaving the baby. I thought I'd have some more nerves going on, but I feel good. Leave my kids for you, Debbie.
Yeah, I know. I do feel very honoured. I'm not going to lie. I do.
It's good that you put me at ease though, because if it was like anyone but you, it wouldn't be happening. So
I wouldn't lie about the safety of your driving, especially as I know that the people who are going to be your primary passengers are your children.
yeah,
I would not say you are as good as you are if